Hi, I'm Erin, and I'm going to show you how to use dashboards to surface the right information at the right time so that you can make better decisions faster. Dashboards are easy to create using customizable widgets. Let's look at an example of a dashboard an executive team uses to track performance. A title widget clearly labels the dashboard. Charts provide a way to visualize Smartsheet data. This pie chart shows each region's contribution to the overall pipeline. This bar chart uses data from the finance sheet to break out the budget by category. Charts are customizable and interactive. For example, if I want to focus on one of the sales regions, I can deselect the other regions. Shortcuts provide links to commonly used resources. The proposal template was recently updated, so I'll add the link to make it easy for everyone to find the latest version. Metric widgets highlight key information and can be used to show status. Use image widgets to include images in your dashboard. Adding a report to your dashboard lets stakeholders view information without needing access to the underlying data. Rich text widgets call out highlights and key dates. There are two permission types on dashboards: admins and viewers. Viewers can simply consume the information on a dashboard, while admins can create and manage the content. Admins can add, edit, remove, rearrange, and resize widgets. Admins can also share dashboards with team members and stakeholders. Sharing a dashboard with someone as a viewer enables them to view but not edit or share the dashboard. Use Publish to share a dashboard with a broad audience. Access the activity log to see who has viewed or made changes to your dashboard. And that's a quick introduction to dashboards. For more examples, visit the Dashboard Gallery.